welcome back to my channel. So as you guys can see by the title, today we are going to be doing an unboxing for Drake's Better World Fragrance House candles. But before we get into it, I just want to introduce myself. My name is Latrell. I go by iloveyoutrell here on YouTube and as well as all my other social media platforms. And you might have actually seen my name lingering somewhere in the internet world because I was actually the person that filmed the video of Drake, Stephen Curry, and Aisha Curry at In-N-Out that did numbers, you guys. It was everywhere. And today we're going to be getting into one of Drake's newest ventures, which is his Better World Fragrance House candles. Now, I know what you guys are probably thinking, like, Drake doing candles? Drake? Yes, y'all, Drake is making candles. And of course, being a Drake super fan, I had to go ahead and purchase some candles and support, but also see what all the hype was about. Like, I've never seen any candles come in a box this big. Once you open the box, you will see that it has the Better World Fragrance House logo on the top, and it's so big that it came with a bunch of wrapping paper on the inside. So these candles are 10.5 ounces. They are soy wax blend candles and they are made in Canada. And the candles retail for $48, which can be pricey for some people for candles. I did grab 2 candles, and the reason I only grabbed 2 was because I didn't know what they were gonna smell like. And you know, a lot of celebrities will just slap their name on something just to make a quick dollar. So I was like, okay, for $48, I'm gonna test it out first. But the ones that I did get are Sweeter Teens, and I also got Williamsburg Sleepover. So let's go ahead and let's just talk about this packaging. It's definitely a really nice sturdy box. So these are also intended to be gifts, and I'll kind of show you guys what exactly I mean by that when I open the box and show you the candle. These boxes are really good quality. So on one side of the box, you can see here that engraved on the side it has BW for Better World, and then the other side has FH for Fragrance House. And on top, you do have the logo engraved on there as well. So once you take the top off the box, it does look like this. And on the inside, it does have a nice like navy cushion here to hold the candle in place. It also comes with a pen for writing on the candle, and we'll show you that in just a second. So this candle here is Sweeter Teens, and this one has an Oriental Gourmand scent profile. According to the website, I honestly do not know what that means. Like gourmand is like gourmet or something like that. I don't know. This scent includes Italian citrus, woods from Haiti and North America, floral rose, and iris from Europe. I feel like you do smell the woodiness like right off the bat. Like it definitely has a musky scent to it, but undertones of the floral smell like kind of lingering through there. It smells kind of good. Like I would like this, and I feel like it would get sweeter as it burns, but like when you smell it straight like this, it is a little strong. It is a little strong. So the other candle that I got is the Williamsburg Sleepover candle. Now this one has a scent profile of floral woody musk. So this candle here includes scents of red roses, succulent blonde woods, and warm luminous ambers, including scents of Petrolia groves from Indonesia and Lang Lang fields of Madagascar. If I said that wrong, you guys, please, I am so sorry. I tried. And this candle is marketed to be a genderless candle, so it's not necessarily more masculine or feminine. It's pretty neutral. Ooh, this one smells bomb. Like, it's definitely warmer than the Sweeter Teens. I'm trying to think of like what would smell like this, but nothing smells like this. Like it smells really good. I think this is probably my favorite out of the 2 of these, and I feel like I would definitely like this just on an everyday basis. Like the Sweeter Teens, I feel like I would like that one on like a Sunday morning or like sometime in the morning. But like this one here, I feel like this can be lit like at any time. Like it smells so good. Like I don't even know how to describe it to you guys. And you can really smell those ambers in there, and it smells so good. Like it smells like kind of like a campfire, but without that like strong smell, if that makes any sense. Let's get into this packaging. So they do come in these glass midnight blue jars. They're actually pretty heavy. If you turn the candle around, you will see that there's actually the signature of Mr. Aubrey Graham himself, as well as the Better World Fragrance House stamp on the back. So one of the things that I did mention is that it does come with a pen, and the pen is so that you can actually customize the candle and write who it's for. It looks like it might just be just a regular silver Sharpie type of pen, but when you write on the candle, it's actually gold to match the writing on the candle. So this candle here I'll actually be giving to Jordan, so I went ahead to write Sweeter Teens for Jordan on this candle, and this is going to be in his office. I would highly recommend you guys checking these candles out if you are into candles, if you understand the importance of a nice high-end candle. I know $48 is a lot, But if you appreciate candles on that level, I don't think it's that expensive. And these candles have a really strong scent to them, so I feel like they would last you a really long time because you don't have to burn them for like numerous hours. 10 to 20 minutes of the candle burning will permeate your house and just fill it with all these wonderful Williamsburg sleepovers. Let me know what you guys think about these candles. Would you guys pay $48 for these candles? Is that kind of out of your candle price range? And that is it for this unboxing of Drake's Better World Fragrance House candles. I hope you guys enjoyed watching this video. If you guys did, please make sure to give this a big thumbs up and make sure to subscribe to my channel if you are not. I do post every Tuesday and Friday, but if you can't remember that, then go ahead and hit that notification bell and you will get notified every time I do post a video. But again, I thank you guys so much for spending some of your time with me, and I will see you guys in my next video. Peace.